Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Kadence theme in your WordPress. So first of all, you want to go to the menu to the left side here and click on hold on appearance and click on themes. After that, you will see lots of themes here. You can either click adding new theme right there or at the top. And once you do that, there will be search theme option, or you can just scroll down and try to find it. Here it is. Or you can just write down. And after that, here it is. You're going to click install. And after the install, you want to go ahead. You can go to the live preview or you can activate it. So I'm just going to activate it now. And now to customize it, you just click right there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.